At the London Motorcycle Centre, we are dedicated to providing top-notch motorcycle recovery and accident claim management services across the UK. At the London Motorcycle Centre, we understand that accidents and breakdowns can happen at any time, which is why we offer a reliable 24/7 service. No matter when or where you need us, we're here to help. Our comprehensive service includes storage facilities, ensuring your bike is kept safe and secure while we handle your claim. We also boast a fully equipped mechanic workshop staffed with skilled technicians ready to fix your motorcycle and get you back on the road as quickly as possible. At the London Motorcycle Centre, we pride ourselves on offering full guidance and support throughout your claim process. Our experienced team will be with you every step of the way, making the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Trust the London Motorcycle Centre to take care of your motorcycle recovery, repairs, and accident claims with professionalism and care. Your peace of mind is our priority.